The 2026 Kia K4 marks a bold new chapter for Kia in the compact sedan segment. Positioned as the successor to the Forte, the K4 elevates styling, interior technology, and driving dynamics. Kia designed the K4 with younger buyers and tech-savvy families in mind, blending affordability with features typically found in higher-priced vehicles. 2. Exterior design. The K4's design follows Kia's Opposites United philosophy, featuring sharp lines, bold LED lighting signatures, and a fastback-inspired silhouette. The sloping roofline and hidden rear door handles give it a coupe-like presence, while the aggressive stance and vertical DRLs echo a sportier persona. The design sets the K4 apart from more conservative compact rivals. 3. Hatchback option. For 2026, Kia also introduces the K4 hatchback, offering more practicality without compromising on style. It is shorter than the sedan but provides greater rear seat headroom and significantly more cargo space, with up to 59.3 cubic feet when seats are folded. This flexibility makes it an attractive alternative for buyers who need versatility. 4. Engine and performance. Two powertrains are available. The base engine is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder delivering 147 horsepower, paired with a CVT for smooth and efficient commuting. For drivers seeking more excitement, the 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder produces 190 horsepower and is mated to an 8-speed automatic. The turbo variant, particularly in GT line trim, sharpens acceleration and handling. 5. Ride and handling. The K4 balances comfort and sportiness. The suspension is tuned for city comfort, absorbing bumps well, while higher trims with sport suspensions and 18-inch wheels provide more responsive cornering. Steering feels precise, though enthusiasts may still find rivals like the Mazda 3 sharper. For most daily drivers, the K4 delivers a refined and composed ride. 6. Interior layout. Inside, the K4 impresses with a high-tech cabin. The highlight is the twin 12.3-inch displays that form a panoramic digital panel, offering both infotainment and driver information. The dashboard design is clean, with minimal physical buttons and a driver-oriented layout. Quality materials, soft touch panels, and customizable ambient lighting raise the premium feel. 7. Infotainment and connectivity. Kia equips the K4 with its CCNC, Connected Car Navigation Cockpit, system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over-the-air software updates keep features current, while optional upgrades include Harman Kardon or Bose Audio, wireless charging, and integrated Kia AI Assistant. This makes the K4 one of the most tech-forward sedans in its class. 8. Passenger comfort and space. Despite its coupe-like roofline, the K4 sedan provides generous space for front and rear passengers. Legroom is competitive, and higher trims add amenities like heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and premium upholstery. Trunk capacity stands at nearly 18 cubic feet, which is above average for the segment, while the hatchback adds even more versatility. 9. Safety features. Kia prioritizes safety with a comprehensive suite of standard driver assistance systems. Forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert are included on most trims. Higher variants expand with features like a surround view monitor, blind spot view camera, and smart parking assist, making the K4 one of the safest compact sedans available. 10. Color options. The K4 is available in a wide palette, ranging from classic shades like Snow White Pearl, Aurora Black, and Gravity Gray to bolder options like Current Red, Azure Blue, Morning Haze, and Wave Blue. The hatchback introduces a unique sparkling yellow exclusive to its body style, adding youthful appeal for buyers seeking individuality. 11. Pricing and value. Pricing starts around $23,000 for the LX sedan and climbs to just under $30,000 for the GT line turbo. This positions the K4 competitively against rivals like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Hyundai Elantra. Considering its rich standard equipment, modern tech, and long Kia warranty, the K4 offers excellent value, particularly in mid-level trims. 12. Verdict. The 2026 Kia K4 is more than just a replacement for the Forte. It's a statement that compact sedans can be stylish, well-equipped, and enjoyable without breaking the bank. With its bold design, advanced cabin technology, practical hatchback variant, and competitive pricing, the K4 stands out in a crowded segment. For buyers seeking a fresh, forward-looking compact car, the K4 deserves serious consideration.